why basically there is a menstrual pain. First, let us know this, that why this pain actually occurs, why this pain actually happens, and how should we get rid of this kind of a pain. Now, going with the current scenario, ऐसा सिचुएशन अभी आ गया है कि जो प्यूबर्टी एज है ना, पहले 13, 14, 15 हुआ करता था, अभी 10, 11, 12 हो गया है. एंड टू स्ट्रेंज आई विल टेल यू, देयर इज वन लेडी वर्किंग इन माय कंपनी, उनकी बेटी को 9 साल के उम्र में पीरियड्स चालू हो गए, एट द एज ऑफ 9. सो द लेसर द प्यूबर्टी एज, द लेसर द मेनोपॉज, द ग्रेटर द हार्मोनल डिसबैलेंस. 9 साल की एक बच्ची को पीरियड शुरू होने का मतलब ये है कि शी इज फिजिकली नॉट प्रिपेयर टू हैंडल दैट, शी इज मेंटली नॉट प्रिपेयर टू हैंडल दैट. दे बिकम फियरफुल. स्कूल जाते हैं, स्कूल में प्रॉब्लम होता है, व्हाइट यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, उसमें प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस दे फेस इन देयर लाइफ, एंड 90% ऑफ द टाइम दे डू नॉट टेल बैक. आके पेरेंट्स को बताते, शर्म करते हैं, कोई मदर्स को बताते हैं, कोई नहीं बताते हैं, कोई दोस्तों को बताते हैं. बट देन सपोज इफ देयर इज समवन हु इज वेरी शाई इन नेचर and not able to speak to anybody about the menstrual pain, how will they know that how to get rid of that? And this pain is unbearable, believe me. जैसा लास्ट टाइम में मेरे फैक्ट्री में आपको मैंने बोला था कि मेरे घर में 3 बेटियां हैं ऑलरेडी, और तीनों अलग अलग एज के हैं. सो आई हैव ए 15-year-old girl, I have a 17-year-old girl, I have a 26-year-old girl. So I have seen all of these girls coming up during their young age. और ये प्रोडक्ट बनाने का मेरा एक ही मकसद यही था, हमारी घर की बेटियों को दर्द से, तकलीफ से निवारण कराने का. That is how and that is why this product has been totally developed and the science has been designed as per this product only. आपको हमेशा से ऐसे आप now you start observing what I am telling. आप सोचिए, तेलुगु वाले ऊहिंచుకోండి that why you are getting this pain. That is because of the hormonal disbalance. Is it because of excessive bleeding? Is it because of your underage puberty? Or is it because of your excessive stress? Because 9, 10, 11 underage puberty मान सकते हैं, 12 से 15 excessive working, excessive भागना दौड़ना मान सकते हैं. लेकिन जो लोग 21 से लेके 30 साल के बीच में, people those who are between 21 and 30, they are neither young, underaged, nor they are having excessive study stress, but they have work stress and unwanted junk eating habits. Let me tell you, your hormone gets disbalanced also when your food habits are not correct. When you eat lot of things in very irregular time frame, with completely no water drinking, completely not taking hot water, completely not doing any exercise, and just spending your time in a fashioned manner because you would have got a job at the age of 20 in an IT sector, and that is how you enjoy your life. And that is when you understand. And now also I'll tell you one more thing here, that the period days have also increased of late in the last 1.5 decade. पहले ये 3 दिनों का होता था, फिर किसी को 4 दिनों का होता था. अभी आप देखेंगे नॉर्मली ये 5 से 6 दिनों का होने लगा है, और इसमें बहुत अनबियरेबल पेन होता है, बहुत तकलीफ होती है, एक्सेसिव डिस्चार्जेस होते हैं, आपको मूड खराब हो जाता है, गुस्सा बहुत आता है, चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाता है, खाना सेलेक्टिव हो जाता है. यू डोंट लाइक ईटिंग एवरीथिंग, you start eating selective foods because everything is governed and turned with your hormones. तो इसीलिए you are not the only person. There are almost 50% females. Those who go through these period problems always have the period cramping pains. Say, if I am saying correct, you can raise your hand and say yes. If I am saying wrong, you can show your hand as cross, that no, what I am telling is wrong. So now, just to come out of this, what is the solution we are looking for? Next slide, please.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಸೋದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಕಲೆ. ಆ ಕಲೆನ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ.
So be comfortable during those uncomfortable days. I will not say that those days are uncomfortable. but those days are really irritating. This is one thing, which people never want to have, and which is not at all in our hands. And it is not also in the hands of God, let me tell you. It is only the body structure, it is only the body hormone which always allows your discomfort to come in between you and your period pains. That is only because you, again, I'm coming back to the same story, because of our stress levels, because of our excessive working style, sitting in one place for more than 4 hours, 5 hours, working in the computers, excessive screen timings, unwanted eating habits, no regular exercise, not drinking water, not drinking hot water, not drinking excessive water, only doing things which is liked by your mind and brain and not by your body. So please change those habits, and also you are going to get relieved with this. Next, please. So this is, pain-free granules. I believe you are able to see the product. This is the product which is going to come to you. This is properly shrink-wrapped carton which will have 25 sachets inside. Each sachet will be having 5 grams. And the 5 gram sachet contains 200 milligram of Ashoka chal dry extract. It is not the powder of Ashoka tree. Please remember, the stem of Ashoka is being taken as a powder. The powder is sent to the extraction unit. The extraction unit does the downstream preparations, and after that it has been centrifuged, spray dried, and then the extract powder has been derived. So let me tell you in a very layman's language, अगर हम 10,000 किलो अशोका का छाल, छाल का मतलब जो पेड़ में लगा रहता है, स्किन ऑफ द ट्री, अगर वैसे 10,000 किलो छाल को लेके एक्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो हमको सिर्फ 300 किलो अशोका छाल ड्राई एक्सट्रैक्ट पाउडर मिलेगा. So you can imagine the kind of concentration is being used in Ashoka chal. Similar in the case of Lodhra dry extract, similar in the case of Pipalamul dry extract, similar in the case of Sunti dry extract. Pipalamul, in other word, is also called as Pipanirgum, and Ashoka chal, there is a scientific name. Lodhra, there is a scientific name. Now we will go ingredient wise, that why we have made a combination of this. अगर अशोका चाल से पेट का दर्द ठीक होता है तो लोधरा क्यों, और अगर लोधरा से ठीक होता है तो पिपली क्यों, और पिपली से अगर ठीक होता है तो सुंटी क्यों, और ये चारों जो आपने डाला है ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन में क्यों डाला है कि एक को आपने 200 मिलीग्राम लिया है, तो एक को आपने 1500 मिलीग्राम लिया है, तो एक को आपने 1900 मिलीग्राम लिया है, और एक को आपने 1500 मिलीग्राम लिया है. Why this combination has been rationalized, why this is inside one product, and how does it makes taste good to you? Why does it make taste good to you, and how does it help to you? Next slide. Ashoka chal extract helps to manage various gynecological and menstrual problems such as heavy, irregular, painful periods. Ashoka chal dry extract का काम ये है कि आपका जो उन समय में जो blood का flow होता है, it is like block, like this. It goes, stops, goes. It is like a sea wave, like this. So what Ashoka chal does is neutralizes the blood level and make it to flow straight, so that there is no crampiness, there is no pull in your inner stomach abdomen area. That is what is the main and basic rule of Ashoka chal. Lodha dry extract is what? It is an anti-inflammatory. जैसे आपको पीरियड क्रैम्प्स होते हैं, बैक पेन होते हैं, तो देयर इज a chance of inflammation. थोड़ा कहीं सूज जाता है, सूजने का अनुभव होता है, थोड़े सूजन बाहर से दिखते हैं, थोड़े सूजन बाहर से नहीं दिखते हैं. Some inflammation are observed from outside, some are not observed from outside. They are internal inflammation. So the job of Lodhra dry extract is what? It has to do as a uterine cleaner tonic work, as well as to reduce the inflammation. That is why people, those who take the English medicines, they take tranexamic and mefenic acid. Mefenic acid does the job of reducing the pain, tranexamic acid done as a uterine tonic. But when you take excessive of synthetic chemicals or medications, there is always chances of getting resistant to the product. If you are continuing mefenic and tranexamic for 2 years, 3 years down the line, you will not get any effect from those two products. It will become your body blood resistant. That is why we have always promoted the Ayurveda formula of the same product. So anti-inflammatory, analgesic, यूट्रिन टॉनिक क्या करता है, न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा, फ्लो को करेक्ट करेगा और आपका यूट्रिन टॉनिक के हिसाब से करेगा तो योर यूटरिन एरिया विल बिकम मोर सेफर एंड मोर स्मूदर, दो क्रैम्प विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम डाउन। पीपली मूल क्या करता है, आपको हेवी फ्लो को रोकता है। कभी कभी कैसा होता है इन पीरियड्स, फर्स्ट डे यू विल हैव एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग, second day there will be a minor bleeding, third day excessive bleeding, fourth day stop. So the fourth day when it stops, you think that my periods are over, but again fifth day bleeding will start. So this is called irregular bleeding stream. So what Pipalimul does, whenever you take the product, it will stabilize and neutralize the flow of the blood during those periods. So the moment the flow is restricted to a very organized manner, and when the flow is been taken care with an anti-inflammatory, automatically the stress, the uterine gets smoother, gets more safer, and that is how your inflammation reduces, and that is what your pain also reduces. Now, what exactly happens with Sunti dry extract? Sunti dry extract is घर की नौकरानी, like a maid servant in your house. पूरा परिवार हैप्पी रहता है और एक दिन अगर नौकरानी नहीं आती है तो घर में लड़ाई होने लगता है, बिकॉज who will manjo the bartan, who will wash the cloth, who will do the kapda sukhao, these all things will there be a question. So you can take Ashoka chal as your family, you can take Lodhara as your clothes, you can take Pipali mool as your utensils, but Sunti is required to do a categorization and characterization of all these three ingredients which will reduce the pain overall from your body. That is why Sunti extract is been, आप देखोगे when you were small or when your grandmother were there, whenever there was a menstrual pain, they used to put some turmeric and some sunti, saunt, like in the northern India they call it saunt and ghee, nahi, saunt and turmeric. They put together in milk and they drink. They used to get pain reduction in 2-3 hours. So what we did is that we have made the extract of sunti, combined it with Pipalimul and Lodhara, and then made it as a complete granular form for you. And once this granular form has been done, it becomes an easy task for you to take it. Now, these are all bitter extracts in nature. What we wanted to do is that if a girl of 11-year-old is been asked to take kashayam or asked to take something which is not tasty, they always, retreat to not take this product. So what we try to do is that we have added some maltodextrin in that to enhance the flavor and taste of the product. And we have added some nice flavor of orange now, and maybe later on 2 more flavors so that you can have multiple flavors with you available and you enjoy drinking this. That is why the maltodextrin is an subjective and the flavor is an adjective to make this product completely good, tasty, effective, and very, very therapeutic in nature. Next one.
5 times 9.
45.
6 times 9.
54.
8 times 9.
7.
Next one.
Direction of usage. How you do? You get a sachet. Let me show you one sachet.
This is a sachet. This is a plain sachet. Yours will be not plain, it will be designed. So you have to tear the sachet, put it in 90 to 100 ml का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको 100 ml वजन करके ही पीना है. 90 होने से भी काम करेगा, 110 होने से भी काम करेगा, 80 होने से भी काम करेगा. Don't fear that 100 ml लिखा हुआ है तो 100 ml मेरे को वजन करने का है. No. Any full glass of water which is close to 90 ml, 100 ml, 110 ml, 120 ml, just take it, pour it. 90% will automatically get dissolved. Still you take a spoon, dissolve it, enjoy. Enjoy it. This product should be taken as per me, my personal experience, my scientific experience, and my claim to this product is the product should be taken 1 day before your period cycle starts, 3 days of your period, 1 day after your periods, 1 day before the period start, 3, 4, 5 number of days your period cycle is going on, and 1 day after the period cycle is over. So like this, you should do this for 6 continuous months. I am sure that you will be not requiring that kind of a support from the 7th month. After 6 months, this product will become an SOS for you. So whenever there is a pain,
open, drink. Whenever there is a pain, open, pour, drink. You can carry this in your vanity bag. You can carry this in your school bag. You can carry this in your lunch box के साथ. Wherever you are going, you can carry. All you need is water to mix this. No milk, nothing except for water. If you get an opportunity, try to take this with lukewarm water. If you do not get an opportunity, forget about lukewarm water. Just go with a plain water. Just go with a plain water. And you believe me, there are some videos, some testimonies available with Shyam, which will be sharing to you later on. There are miraculous results. You get a relief from the pain between 3 to 7 minutes. 3 to 7 minutes maximum. And believe me, trust me, use this product for 6 months continuously, whether you have pain or whether you do not have pain. Your periods will become regular, your mood will become superb, you will start participating and activating your work, and you will have a very, very smooth and easy going life. This is out of my experience, I am telling you. This is out of my science, I am telling you. This is how this product is going to work. Any more slides there, Shyam? Now the key benefits of PFG, as told you again, now you can compare the photo there and the product in my hand, both are same. I told this in the beginning itself. No period cramps you will have, no mood swings you will have, no discomfort you will feel. It will also manage your weight and it will reduce the fatigue, the stress. Stress directly related to mood swing. Pain directly related to discomfort. So these all put together, it is going to neutralize your entire blood flow during those periods and get you 100% relief from the pain. Suggest to you, suggest to your children, female children at home, to your friends, to your neighbors, to your children, student friends in the schools, colleges, workplace. Suggest everybody to take this, keep with them at their home. Use it whenever it is required on SOS basis. Use it one day before the period starts, 3, 4, 5 days during the period, one day after the period. एक दिन पीरियड से पहले, पीरियड के समय के 3, 4, 5 दिन और पीरियड के बाद एक दिन, 6 महीने तक कंटिन्यू करेंगे. अच्छा हो जाए तो भी, अच्छा नहीं हो तो भी, दर्द होगा तो भी, दर्द नहीं होगा तो भी, 6 महीने के बाद आपको ये SOS के रूप में इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. आपको इसकी रेगुलर जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. With this, I stop. If you have any question, please note it on a piece